Hi, I'm Jeffrey Banyas. I'm from Impact Acoustic. I am the Chief Design Officer and co-founder of our company. We are almost 4 years old this August. We're growing super fast, and now we're about 95 people in Philippines, in Switzerland, and also Italy. And we do acoustic solutions for spaces with recycled materials. We decided to take part to this initiative because of impact that we would like to create, knowing that we all have the same goal at the end of the day, is to improve the well-being of the people who works in the company. We can definitely change the environment within the working facility of Philip Morris. This is something that for me is a very, very big impact. And because I know that this can change the way or habits of people and improve their well-being within the production space.